The outgoing director of the Denver VA hospital denies threatening whistleblowers and says her staff did not have an improper secret waiting list. 9 wants to know investigator Melissa Blasius has been reporting on the allegations at the Denver VA for weeks now, and tonight she finally gets answers face to face from the woman in charge.
9 wants to know asked VA hospital director Lynette Roff for an interview at least 5 times in the last 6 weeks. She has repeatedly denied those requests, but we still thought it was important to get her side of the story before she retires this weekend.
Ms. Roff, Melissa Blasius with 9 News. As you know, we've been trying to get an interview with you.
Well, I'm on my way home.
I was the last person Lynette Roff expected in the snowy VA hospital parking lot.
And I know that you're trying to be doing your reporting, but I find your methods somewhat offensive.
Roff says 9 News took her out of context when we played an audio recording of her speaking at an employee meeting last month.
Once you talk to the media, you're on your own.
There are only 2 spokespeople, official spokespeople. It was no way meant to be a threat to anyone.
For weeks, Roff's been dogged by whistleblower complaints. The most recent, that the mental health department was keeping a secret patient waiting list.
We have had an external review, and they've been satisfied with their findings, and I am sure that'll become public in the very near future.
What about the sleep lab list?
We have gone over that a number of times.
Last month, 9 Wants to Know showed you a secret waiting list from the hospital's clinic for sleep disorders, a list that was being kept outside the VA's official system for tracking appointments in 2012.
We have found no wait lists that are improper.
But Roff cannot deflect concerns about delays in care. Currently, the Denver VA hospital system has much longer appointment wait times than the VA's national average.
We have wait times. We're working on them.
She blames challenges in hiring.
We have issues in terms of finding doctors in Colorado Springs in the Pueblo area. It's a very competitive healthcare market.
Roff says no one is forcing her to retire, and she seems proud of the decade she spent at the helm of the Denver VA.
We meet or exceed many of the standards throughout VA and throughout the private sector. I think that you've twisted many of the words that we have tried to communicate. So that's it.
We thought it was important for you to be able to hear everything that Director Lynette Roff had to say, so we put our entire exchange on 9news.com. Melissa Blasius, 9 News.
This evening, the VA provided 9 Wants to Know with statistics comparing patient wait times at the VA healthcare system to the private sector in Denver. VA says its new patients do wait longer for primary care, but the VA says it beats the private sector in some specialties like dermatology and gynecology.